Okay, so let's talk about diamond parts. So I'm doing extra large knotless. I have a total of 6 rows. You do want even rows when you're doing diamond parts. If not, one row will be a triangle. Don't slant it. This is a waste of time. Don't slant it. What you want to do is create triangle parts. Triangle parts create diamonds. One row will be the bottom part of the diamond, and the other row will be the top part of the diamond. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm just cleaning up this part to finish off this diamond that I already made. So you want to take one of the rows. So if you look here closely, this is I'm going to slant it going up to the right. This is the bottom part of one diamond. So that's one row. And if you look here, this is 2 parts together that I'm going to place together. So instead of when you're creating your triangles, instead of braiding that triangle, you want to stick both of the triangles together, that top triangle and that bottom triangle. Once you put them together, then you have a diamond. So you want to make sure you just clean your parts up. This task is not hard. It's just tedious. It's just a matter of making sure you have clean parts, and you want to do this all over the head. If you have an odd number of rows, then one of your rows would just be triangle parts, half of a diamond. That's all. So I'm all finished. This is my extra large knotless diamond parts. This is my first time doing it with extra large, but I'll get better over time. Bye.